Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping interference. Open services and end NV container, NVIDIA Display Container LS, and related processes. Once done, open Task Manager and kill any remaining NVIDIA processes. Make a system restore point now so you can roll back if needed. Also note your current GPU driver version from Device Manager so you download the exact installer later. Disable antivirus and pause Microsoft Store or Windows Update to prevent file locks while you work. These steps clear common blockers before deeper fixes. You next address Task Scheduler. Launch Task Scheduler and navigate to Task Scheduler Library /NVIDIA Corporation. Export suspect tasks for backup, then delete tasks with errors or missing actions. If you have a clean XML from another machine or a fresh installer, recreate the tasks by importing XML so triggers and actions match expected paths. Run sfc/scano followed by dism restore health to repair system components that block installer service registration. Reboot after these repairs to ensure the task engine. You finalize by running the in safe mode to remove all remnants, then run the NVIDIA installer as administrator. Choose Custom and check Clean Install to recreate service registration and scheduled tasks. Once installation completes, open Task Scheduler and verify NVIDIA tasks are present and enabled. If the installer still cannot continue, check Task Scheduler Operational Log and Windows Event Viewer for event ID tied to task creation failures. These give exact permission or path errors. Make the fix, adjust permissions, or reinstall the NVIDIA control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.